If you would like to remove the watermark of Gamma presentation, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first thing first, launch your browser. At the top search bar, type in gamma.app, get logged into your account, and let's go ahead create a project. In my case, I already have a project, so let's go ahead and download it. For that, you click on this three dot icon just beside your initial. Click export. Now here, make sure that you click on this export to PowerPoint. Now wait for this to get downloaded in your PC. As you have downloaded this, let's go ahead and launch our Canva app. This is also important for removing watermark, so make sure that you tap on this canva.com and then get logged into your account. Here, click on this presentation button. Once you see a white screen like this, you will also see an upload button on your left-hand side. Click on upload files and upload the file that you have just downloaded. And once you upload it, you will see various pages which sums up all the presentation. Now, the process is very simple. Let's go ahead and zoom in. In order to remove this, simply click onto it, click delete. Go ahead, fetch for any of these watermark, delete as well. Repeat the process till you get the end of this watermark. Now, in order to save document or file in Canva, the process is simple. Click on share here, click on download. Either select PDF or you can also go for these medias. Once done, click on download. Just like so guys, this is how you can remove a watermark from Gamma presentation.